So why did markets begin to sell off a little bit today? So don't get me wrong, markets had an amazing recovery based off of what was announced yesterday. That was the ceasefire. Unfortunately, it seemed like it lasted less than 24 hours. Although the NASDAQ market quickly ripped up, it really began to lack progress since the market opened. We talked about this during our live trading session with our LPP team. And on top of that, we had some traders absolutely kill it today. A big shout out to one of our LPP traders that exceeded his daily goal and made over $4,300 on the day. Again, NASDAQ market did pull back, but not enough if you actually paid attention to what was announced. I want to show you this very quickly. Based on what is being announced, Israel is still attacking Lebanon. Hear this. And again, just super unfortunate. Obviously, these are just a bunch of civilians. It's getting really hard to try to make sense of any of this, of like, why can Israel not stop attacking other countries? I would love to learn more about it. If you guys want to share articles on ways that I can have a better understanding to kind of justify these attacks, please feel free to let me know down in the comment section. I would love to learn more about it. I just do not understand why they just can't keep it together, right? And that was what today was really about. The reason that the ceasefire really began to fall apart was Iran began to threaten that it would end the ceasefire with the U.S. if Israel does not stop attacking Lebanon. Supposedly, Netanyahu said on Wednesday morning that the deal does not include Lebanon, contradicting an earlier statement made by Pakistan. The ceasefire situation remains fluid. What do you mean it didn't include Lebanon? Like, why do we have to attack any country? Why does Israel have to continue to attack any country? That's what I would like to learn more about before I start making assumptions based off of uninformed opinions. So again, if there's things that you guys would like to share with me so I can learn more, feel free to share it down in the comment section. With that being said, the NASDAQ market, although it did pull back a little bit, almost nothing. The real big movers today was oil. We talked about that earlier today of, hey, the big opportunity is really oil. Oil took a really big hit. And we talked about it with our LPP team of, hey, we might have to entertain the idea of buying the dip on oil, because if there is no ceasefire and things do continue to escalate, then oil is likely to continue to rise and markets will drop. But of course, oil has been ripping straight up as the attacks continue to happen, especially as Iran continues to threaten to close the Strait of Hormuz. With that being said, our attention does shift tomorrow to a series of economic reports. We'll talk about it more in our live trading session tomorrow, but if you're not part of my LPP team, I wanted to make sure that you understood. We have the PCE report being released tomorrow and the GDP report being released tomorrow, 1 hour before the market opens. I need you to be aware because volatility is likely to present itself. And then on Friday, we have the CPI report. One of the most important inflation reports will be released on Friday, 1 hour before the market opens. Again, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel. We do plan to live stream that one for free. With that being said, again, we had an amazing time in today's live trading session, watching the market slightly retrace, and we took small short positions on the market, but then closing them out, as we know that holding them overnight is not a safe play while all this volatility presents itself. If you ever want to tune on into those live sessions, it's a one-time payment, it's lifetime access. It breaks down to less than $1.10 a day. And we have members that signed up back in 2018. They paid once and still watch me trade live today. So whenever you're ready, again, if you're tired of not knowing what's going on in the market and you would like to tune on into these daily live trading sessions that begin right at market open, you can join us as soon as tomorrow. And that's the second link in the description down below. And again, the platform that you see me using here is the Webull trading application. And if you want to download that, it's the 5th link in the description down below to earn a little sign-up bonus. I appreciate your guys' time. I hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.